first of all, I want to thank the university for honoring me. I never thought I would be standing here being honored by anybody. During everybody's life, we encounter unexpected life-changing events. One of those life-changing events changed my life, which resulted in me being here tonight. I applied to dental school when I was about 21, 22 years old, and I was put on the waiting list. And then in the summer, on Labor Day in 1967, I was vacationing with a bunch of friends of mine in Saugatuck. I went from Thursday till Tuesday. But I decided to call my mom, see how everything was going, and check in with my mother. At that time, we didn't have cell phones. So I called my mother and I said, Mom, everything's fine. I'll be home Tuesday. She goes, no. I go, what are you talking about? She goes, the dental school called. I said, what do you mean the dental school called? She said, they want to see you tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock at the dean's office. And I said, Mom, the school started 4 weeks ago. She goes, well, they want to see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning. They have an opening. I said, well, Mom, I want to stay here and party. She said, no, you're coming home. I said, okay. So I told my friends I had to go home. So I drove back to Detroit, went down to see the dean, 9 o'clock in the morning, which I totally didn't expect, because the school, like I said, had already been open for 4 weeks. And he sat me down and he said, we want you to come to dental school here. And I go, why? He goes, well, because of gross anatomy. And I go, what? He said, well, gross anatomy is when you walk in this room and there's 50 dead bodies on tables and you have to take them apart, and 5 students couldn't do it, so they quit. And we want to fill the class. So that's why you're here. This is a true story. So I said, okay, I'll go for it. So that's how I got into dental school. And because of it, I never realized how wonderful my life would become once I became a dentist. I developed this sense of trying to make people happy, trying to make pleasurable experiences for patients, and I thrive on it. And after many years of being a dentist, I decided that, you know what, I've been so successful and I love what I do, I have to start giving something back. That's when I contacted the University of Detroit, which is where I went, and I started to go there and help, started to donate. At the same time, as the dean mentioned, I invented these wonderful instruments to extract teeth, and we've had a program going now for probably 6 years, and we do maybe 6 to 8 courses a year on a Friday and a Saturday, and we see people who do not have dental insurance, people who are laid off, people, senior citizens who don't have dental insurance, people who are out of work, young people, old people, a plethora of people. I think in the last 6 years we've probably done almost $2 million worth of free extractions because these people just can't. Tomorrow we have a course, and we'll probably see about anywhere from 75 to 90 patients, and we'll do 400 to 500 extractions. And these people are so happy because they have no place else to go. We have a community of churches that send these patients to us. They're excited, we're excited, and it's just a wonderful experience. But again, without the university, and without that phone call 45 years ago, I wouldn't be here. So I want to thank you very much, and I want to thank the university.